Good evening, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, all the lovers of Lifewave. I'm very honored and very happy to be invited by Dr. Roy to present some experiences of Lifewave patches for my patient, for my family, and for myself. I am a newborn baby in Lifewave. I just joined this Lifewave on March 2022. I heard about these patches 3 years ago before the pandemic, but somebody who told me about these patches didn't understand at all what is this patch for when I asked her. But thanks God, this year I met somebody, I will tell you. I am Dr. Sri. I graduated from Faculty of Medicine Erlangga University Surabaya in 1988. I'm old already, but my body is still young. 2001, 2003, until now, I'm still keep learning, and learning, because all the diseases which come to us nowadays is really new paradigm, new diseases that I never learned last time. Okay. I founded a primary healthcare clinic. I named it with QLife. It means that quality of life, for integrating palliative care and symptom relief for all the seriously ill, critical illnesses and state of the disease from many patients. I funded this since 2004 with some of my friends, palliative care doctors, as a private practice. These are my doctors and all my nurses. These are the room of my one-day care infused for all 6 people. All my nurses are very professional. Okay, why I learn palliative care, why I love to do this palliative care in my clinic, because the first is I need to prevent and to relieve of suffering of adult and pediatric also patients, and also their families who facing the problem associated with life-threatening illnesses like diabetic mellitus with complication, cardiovascular disease, and also the cancer patient, autoimmune disease patient. A lot of them suffer of pain. My goals, as the WHO defines, my goals is to enhance the quality of life of all patients, to promote dignity and comfort, and also positively influence the course of illness. How I knew this Lifewave patches? One of my patients, Mrs. Lisa, introduced this Lifewave patches on February 2022. As a medical doctor, I asked her about the website. I asked her how can I got the medical journal, the results, and she gave me the link of Zoom webinar from Dr. Roy Suryono, and I joined the link. I asked to Dr. Roy about this Lifewave patches, and Brother Roy at the time gave me Mrs. Vita's phone number in Surabaya, and thanks God that Mrs. Vita very kind to talk and explain to me one by one about this Lifewave patches. and the protocol also to overcome many pains and how to use the detox protocol to have a good body after detox. So on March 2022, I signed up as a Lifewave member and I bought 2 gold packages under my name and my husband's name. And now I already diamond.
All right.
I started patches myself and my families because if I didn't know this product, how can I help my patients? So I try it for myself. Even I'm a healthy, I'm in a good health with amazing result for emergency cases in my family, for
Yeah.
relief pain, and for
Okay.
balancing our
Decide.
energy.
Oh, okay, okay. You must
Yeah. Who's that? Who's
Then
that?
I start then I start talk to my patient every day about these live patches, and they want to be pets, and I give them, and really they always call me and said thank you, uh, you help me uh, much better, no painful again because of using the live patches. Even for cancer patients, the end stage of cancer has a lot of pain. Sometimes they they didn't know where is the most painful of the body because all the pain spreading in all the body of the end state of patient. So I patch them and it's amazing. It's amazing. The pain can reduce from level 10. They always cry every night, every day cry because the level of the pain at the top, level 10. After I patch them, the level of the pain reduced to level 3. And they are so thankful to this live patches. My first experience, of course, with my family. First, my experience with my mom. She is 86 years old lady. She is in good health also, but she like to eat kerupuk. Kerupuk in,
Me too.
in English, what is it?
Crackers. We call it crackers
Crackers.
here.
Every day she eat crackers, you know. One Sunday evening, my son called me because my son stay beside my mom's house. She called me at about 7 p.m. Sunday evening. She told me, Ma, grandma got vertigo. She already vomit and dizzy, cannot open her eyes. She vomit many times. So I'm a little bit panicked. I ran to my mother's house and I call Mrs. Vita, Bu Vita, I call her and she shared me the vertigo protocol. And
Yeah,
I put the EE on K1 and PC6.
that's right.
Only within 5 minutes, my mom can open her eyes without dizzy. And in 10 minutes, she could sit down, drink water, warm water, eat porridge without any nausea and vomit at all.
Amazing.
Then suddenly she went to toilet herself. It
Mm.
makes me very happy. Also my mom and all the whole family. Because usually if my mom got vertigo, I have to give infusion. I have to infuse her and give some medicine through the infuse. And I also ask her for bed rest without any food and water. But at at the day, it's really amazing for me. It is really unbelievable. How can the vertigo gone only in 10 minutes? really amazing, absolutely amazing. How to overcome vertigo only in 10 minutes without any injection, without any medicine, without any drugs. So fantastic. So thankful to David Smith and the Lifewave. It is really amazing.
Yes, amen.
My second amazing experience is my granddaughter. She is 3 years old. She is very active. She is a happy girl. One day, she cannot pass motion for 3 days, and she was so grumpy. My daughter called me, Mom, what should I do with Michelle? Her name is Michelle. So I came to her house, and I put the patches. I put the EE on ST36, Chusanli, and glutathione on CV6.
Mm.
Within 3 hours, my daughter called me and she said that Michelle farted many times, so smelly, and finally she could pass motion. Whole toilet bowl was full.
Ah,
All the family very happy. My daughter, my son-in-law, the whole family was very happy and surprised. Could not believe how can these little stickers can do such a wonder. It's fantastic. And now if I came to her house, my granddaughter always asks me, Oma, sticker. She asked me to patch the glutathione. She know the color. Glutathione is the yellow and red.
mm.
And I gave her also. We are very happy. From
Amazing.
that day, I start to also detox myself, and I give a patient who came to my clinic. Mostly, patients come to my clinic with a lot of pain because many of them has already complication of the chronic diseases like
Mm, yes.
diabetes and hypertension with the complication already, the kidney failure,
Mm.
also cancer, also autoimmune disease like lupus, also the rheumatoid arthritis. They need other solution. They already got a lot of medicine from other doctors without any results. Still very painful, still very weak, no energy. They need other solution to overcome the complication, especially to relieve their pain. I and my doctors usually help them with medical ozone therapy because it's really helpful also. If I give the infuse of medical ozone therapy, it will reduce the inflammation. It will reduce the level of the pain as an antivirus, antibacteria, anti-fungi, and it works. It works very well. But I have to inject them. I have to inject a needle to give the infuse of medical ozone. And sometimes I have to filtration their blood with the way of medical ozone therapy. But of course, it cannot be done every day. I need something to make them better and faster, relieve their pain without any medicine. And I'm so grateful I found Lifewave. So after those amazing experiences with my families, every time my patient finish consultation or finish uh, filtration of their blood in my clinic, I continue talking to them about the amazing Lifewave patches. I usually start with asking them to try patching for 5 days first, and when they come back for the next visit. They are willing to sign up. Bravo! I have a lot of patients that join this Lifewave, and it's very benefit and helpful for their health. Even foreigners, I have some foreigners patients who visit my clinic. They believe and willing to be patches after I explain about this amazing biomolecular nanotechnology patch. I always say to them that this is acupuncture without any needle from Lifewave, and this is very amazing for us and also
Oh,
the patient. So thank you so much to David Smith for this genius, amazing patches, so we can do our self-healing without any drugs or needle,
yeah.
but we only use the patches, the best of Lifewave. I still use it every day for detox, for energy. Also my husband, my mother, sometimes my granddaughter, and almost all of my patients. Thank
Amazing.
you, Brother Roy. It is maybe I can share you because I still a new baby born in Lifewave.
You're an amazing baby born, Dr. Sri. You know how to apply it for yourself, for your family, and for your patients. That's good because not every doctor can accept this technology. Number one, our technology is way ahead of your time, and that's why they cannot understand it. And they said, all negative things about LifeWave. But I appreciate you so much that you understand how LifeWave works and you apply it yourself and you experience yourself, your family, your granddaughter is so cute. Thank you so much, Dr. Sri, for all your
You're
sharing
welcome, Dr.
in
Roy.
your super busy schedule. I really appreciate that so very, very much. Good job.